It has a technology where we have eyes on the line. We get temperature, we know how far it is off the ground.
Deployed at a fairly large scale across a transmission line provides the operator with very granular levels of data that they've never had before to be able to actually increase load and reduce the congestion in the transmission line under favourable conditions.
It's going to mean that we can put more energy through our energy system, making the most of the renewables that are installed and the renewables that are yet to come.
We need all hands on deck, and we've got a fantastic team here at Infravision and great support from a big company like Transgrid to make this happen.